Hi there, and welcome back to my Bringing Photography into Focus video series. I was often asked how I get organized within Adobe Lightroom. So I am not getting organized within Adobe Lightroom. I use the file system. Let me show you how. Let me open up the Windows Explorer and navigate to my NAS system here. Here we go. My organization starts here with the ear. So you see that I started taking photographs back in 14. Well, I started before 14, but this is another story. The 2020 folder includes all the files for this year. Every subfolder in here represents either a project or a trip I've done in 2022. The subfolder's name starts with a timestamp. It is the year, the months, and the day, followed by some attributes to tell me where or what that was. Now let me pick Sweden, Denmark, for instance. In that subfolder, there are all the raw files to be processed, plus another subfolder called PSD. I store my final work as a Photoshop file in this folder under the same name as my original raw file. I never had a problem to find one of my files so far. I really am not using Adobe Lightroom to get organized because I think it's too slow. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye now.